Hello guys, welcome you all to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install backrest to Bullet 350 new model at your home. So here you can see the packaging. Here is the backrest, original backrest, and this is the backrest mounting. You have to buy it. This is for 1000 rupee and this is for 16,000 rupee. So I got it from the genuine accessory from the Royal Enfield showroom, and actually they are going to install it, but I have to make a video for you guys. So therefore I'm doing the unboxing of it, and I'm also doing the installation on my new Bullet 350 2023 model, that is the standard black version, as you know all. So guys, my name is Milind and you are watching my YouTube channel Milind's Association. To please subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so you can get such kind of videos regularly. So you can see the packaging, and without wasting any further time, let's get started. So first I'm going to do unboxing of this backrest first. So you can see the original packaging is very good, very nice packaging is here. And actually my friends, actually I got it in a discounted price because there was my friend in RE showroom, and without a bill I got it just for 1700 rupee only. I cannot give his number and I cannot mention his name in this video because you know that it is again the showroom policy, but as a friendship he has given me this. And here you can see the backrest. So actually the seat, you know that it is a black color. So that this is actually the classic ribbons backrest, and it also fit to our Bullet new generation model. So you know that the Bullet seat cover is a black, so therefore it is a black one. And you can see that here actually these are the two things where you have to attach with this mount. So let me put it aside, and let's start with this another that is the backrest mount. Here we have to unbox that also. So you can see the packaging is very big packaging here, and very nice packaging once again because it is the original Royal Enfield packaging. And now I am getting it back. So friends, stay tuned at the end of the video because in this video I am going to show you how to attach it, how to install it on your bike. So here you can see these are the mount of this. These are the some keys of it, and this is another pair of it. You can see here another pair of this and now we are going to attach these to here. So guys, you know that this bolt which came with this, but actually I'm going to use it, the older one, because they are still in with the bike. So we are not going to use this because we are going to use that older one also because we need it after some time. So guys, for it to installation it, we don't need to buy any other tools because already with the bike you got this toolbox, and here is the Allen key. So no need to buy any different Allen key. Here you can see the Allen key, and you know that here are these so you have to just take it out this nuts. So because we have to attach this to it, so you can see that it looks very good, very nice. So likewise these nuts you have to take off. So another one also I am going to take it off. So guys, it is very simple to take it out, and the cushioning of this is very good. You can see that here is the reflection. Reflector is also there. So when the night you are driving your bike, it shines, it lights in the dark, so the people can know that your bike is there. So it is very good, and the cushioning is also very good. So this is the back side and this is the front side, so where the pillion's back can rest on it. So let's attach this. You know that we have to attach it like that, like this, we have to attach like this. So I think this is here. Oh. So guys, you can see this is the original backrest which come with the bike, and when the pillion sit here, it actually not comfortable for the pillion rider, because it hurt to the back, and we have to remove it first. You can see there are two allen key are there, allen screw are there, and here are two screw. So with the help of the allen key, we have to remove it first, and after that we can install our backrest. So don't move ahead, and